Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate or clone a Shopify page template. This is incredibly useful when you want to create variations of existing pages without starting from scratch, saving you time and maintaining consistency across your store. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct store if you manage multiple shops. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Online Store. This section houses all the tools you need to customize your store's appearance and layout. Once you're in the Online Store section, you'll see your current theme displayed prominently. Right beside it, locate and click the button that says Edit Theme. This will take you into the theme editor where you can make modifications to your store's design and structure. Now at the top of the theme editor, you'll notice it currently says Homepage. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear showing various sections of your store. From this menu, select Pages. This is where all your page templates are managed and where you'll create your duplicate. For this example, let's say you want to duplicate the contact page template. This could be useful if you need multiple contact forms or want to test different layouts while keeping your original intact. To begin the duplication process, click on Create Template. This opens up the template creation interface where you can specify the details of your new template. In the name field that appears, give your new template a descriptive name like Contact Duplicate. Naming it clearly helps you identify it later when you're managing multiple templates. Next, you'll see a field labeled Based On. This is the crucial part that makes this a duplication rather than creating a completely new template. Click on this drop-down and choose Contact from the list. By selecting the original contact template here, you're telling Shopify to copy all the settings, sections, and layout from that existing template. Finally, click Create Template to complete the process. Shopify will now generate your duplicate template, and it will appear in your list of available page templates. And there you have it, you've successfully duplicated your Shopify page template. You can now customize this duplicate independently without affecting your original contact page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.